What's up, everybody? This is Mud Creek Outfitters. Today we're going to be changing the oil on my 1949 Farmall Cub. I got this from a nearby neighbor a couple weeks ago. It had been sitting 10 plus years. I'm not sure. They bought it off an auction. Not exactly sure how long it's run. So we pulled it out of the weeds. I got it running. I had to totally rewire everything. Rebuilt the ignition system, but my plans are I'm going to repaint it in the future, but for right now we're going to change the oil on it. So come over here and let's get started. What you're going to need today, I'm going to use a crescent wrench, 11. It's an 1153 Napa filter. I got this from my local Napa. And then I'm going to be using 15W40 John Deere oil. It's in a different container because I get it in bulk. So let's get started. So come down here. The plug's located right down here. Let me get my light on. Alrighty. Now, this oil has not been changed for a very long time, so I don't know what we're going to find. But there we go. Didn't break off too loose, too hard. Sometimes I've had issues getting these off. Ooh, there we go. Nice dark oil. Alrighty. I'll get that. Now, while that drains, let's go ahead and get our filter cover off. It's located right up here. Alright, I went ahead and jumped that because it's taking me a little bit longer to get it off. Okay, there's our filter. Pull it off. Alrighty. Now, we'll take our other filter and match it up. Make sure it looks right. Yep, that's correct. Now, keep in mind, whenever you pull the filter off, this end, make sure you remember which end came up. For me, it was, the straight end. We want to make sure we get it back in the right direction. Okay. Well, alrighty. We'll take our screwdriver. Oh, seal just popped right off. These seals get brittle and worn out, so they include another seal, which is highly recommended to go ahead and replace it if I can get it out of my box. Alrighty. Go ahead and get a little bit of that good oil and rub on the seal. That way it seals good, both sides. Alrighty. Filter on. Drop the filter in there. Cool. Make sure the seal lays down in the crevice there nicely. That way we get a good seal. Start tightening her down. Alrighty. Now, just get it slightly snug with the wrench. Okay. Now I'm about tight, so I'm just going to give it a nice, and that should be good. Now our oil is just about done draining, so we'll let that finish draining, and we'll be right back. Alrighty, the oil is done draining, so let's screw the plug back in. Just give it just give it one little bump. There we go. That's tight enough. It's not going to go anywhere. Now let's get our oil and filter. Come around to this side. Now they say to put 4 quarts in it. So drop it in there. And fill it with some good oil. Alrighty. I'll be right back and let you know how much we put in it. Let me know when you start. Alrighty. So I got the oil added. It's right there at the full mark. So now we're going to start it up, let it fill the filter, and then we'll check it again and make sure we don't need to top it off. Alright, get my battery hooked up. Alrighty, let's fire this baby up. Sorry, I realized I didn't have my temporary ignition wire hooked up, so that's why it wasn't starting. Now it should fire right up. Let it run for a minute. Alright, killed it. Now, let's check the wire, or check the oil. Still right about full. We'll wipe it off on my handy built-in rag there. Check it again. Alrighty, it's just down a little bit from full, so she's good to go. Alrighty, thanks for watching. Please let me know if you have any suggestions or comments or questions. I'd be happy to answer them for you. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.